Good afternoon, everybody, on this really sunny afternoon. Now, it's amazing how ingenious you can come up with in this lockdown. Now, the little problem that I have is that one of our African grey parrots, Squonky, does not like women. I've had a few discussions with the vet over this, and the vet said, no, it's not as cut and dried as that. They don't like females, don't like males. They have one favourite, and then some other people they might tolerate, other people they might not like. Now that happens with the macaws, so they like me. They don't like Lewis. Now, with the African Greys in here, Max and Toby, they love Lewis, they love Steve the Magician, otherwise known as Magic Steve, they love Andy, and they'll tolerate us females. But when it comes to Swanky hates any female, but even men that she's never even met before, she'll just go straight up to. So, I was studying a little bit on the psychology of parrots last night, and I'm trying to go in disguise as a man. So, after the ear incident yesterday, it's amazing what protection ear you can find at home. Youngest son's old rugby, it's probably got a proper name, but I don't know. Rugby hat to stop yourself getting hit. Hard hat for on top. One glove. I am left-handed, but I couldn't find a left-handed glove. And if you were wondering what this was, this is my moustache. Engineered from my hairbrush with real hair. Right, in we go. Let's hope for the best. I'm going to be talking in a much deeper voice once we get inside.
Hello, Squonky. I was not at work today. My name's Brian. So far, so good. Squonky, Brian wonders if you'd like a bit of pear. Squonky. Oh, so far, so good. Squonky, a bit of apple off Brian. Hello, mine's Brian. No. What about a piece of melon? No, right? No attack yet. So we'll start. Hey, hello boys. It's Brian.
Disguise seems to be working really well.
Hey Toby, it's Brian. Toby loves Brian. Come round and see Brian. Toby loves Brian.
This is actually working better than I could ever thought. Look at Toby.
Toby, it's Brian, the new animal keeper. Would you like a piece of pear, Brian?
No.
Would you like
A nut from Brian.
maybe not? Oh, Buzz dog. Hello, Max. I'm Brian, Andy's brother. Heather's been put in self-isolation. She'll not be back for quite some while. I think it's going well. And some bits and bobs up there. Hi again, Toby. Would you like melon?
Normally, I would not even be able to do this. So we'll deposit some fruit on here and veg. Swanky is definitely...
Hi, Brian again. Yes, Brian. Where would you like this?
This is going better than I ever thought possible. I've now been in here for quite some time.
Come on, have a good look at Brian.
Pet. like anything out of the Sunday lunch buffet? Ah, possibly not. And let's just see. Hold on a minute. Definitely Brian. It's definitely Brian. Heather's gone. She's in isolation. Definitely Brian. Right. Whoa. Seems to have done. Oh! The old trickle. Yes. Hello, Schwunky. Right, I think I need to get out because I think Schwunky's beginning to wonder. Bye-bye, Schwunky. Brian will see you tomorrow.